Raise your hand if you've never taken a personal loan. Cool. Now tell me the last time you split a Myntra order into 3 installments. Or used LazyPay at checkout. Or ordered food on Zomato Pay later. Yeah, that's a loan. You just never called it that. And the company was very careful not to either. Here's what BNPL actually is. Buy now, pay later is a short-term credit product. A fintech company pays the merchant on your behalf right now, and you pay the fintech back later. That gap? That's credit. That's debt. Structurally identical to a personal loan. The reason it doesn't feel like debt is by design. No bank branch, no application form, no credit check that feels like a credit check. Just a button at checkout that says, pay later in friendly lowercase and a green tick when you tap it. The friction of borrowing has been completely removed. And friction, it turns out, was doing a lot of psychological work. It was the thing that made you pause and ask, do I actually need this right now? Remove the friction, remove the pause, that's the product. So what does this actually cost? Most BNPL products in India advertise 0 interest if you pay within the window, 15 days, 30 days, whatever the product specifies. That part is true, pay on time, and it's genuinely free credit. Fine. Here's where it gets interesting. Miss the window, even by a day, and the late fees kick in. Depending on the platform, that can be a flat fee or a percentage. LazyPay charges up to 3% per month on the overdue amount. 3% per month is 36% per year. That's the same number as a credit card penalty rate, which is the same number I told you to never pay. It gets worse if you use the EMI conversion option, splitting a 3,000 rupee order into 3 monthly payments. Most platforms charge a processing fee plus interest on that. The effective annual rate sits between 24 and 36% on a 3,000 rupee jacket. And unlike a credit card, which you probably read at least some of the terms for, most people tap BNPL at checkout without reading anything. The terms are there. Nobody reads them. Here's the bit that actually matters long term. Several BNPL providers in India now report to credit bureaus. CIBIL, Experian, CRIF, which means that 800 rupee Swiggy Pay later balance you forgot about. If it goes overdue, it shows up on your credit report. You're 21, you don't have a credit history yet. The first entries on your report are being written right now. A few missed BNPL payments at 20 can affect your ability to get a home loan at 30. Most people find this out when it's already happened. So here's the actual framework, not never use BNPL, because that's not useful. Use it when you have the money already sitting in your account. You're using the 0 interest window purely for cash flow convenience, and you have a reminder set to pay before the due date. Don't use it when you're buying something because the installment made it feel affordable. That's the trap. The jacket isn't 1,000, it's 3,000. The installment is just a way of not feeling that number all at once. And check right now, today, which of your apps are reporting to credit bureaus. It takes 2 minutes. Go to your BNPL app, find the terms, search for Credit Bureau or CIBIL. If it's there, you're building a credit history whether you knew it or not. Make sure it's a good one. The most expensive financial products in the world are the ones that don't feel like financial products. BNPL is a loan with a better UI. Know what you're using, know what it costs, and never miss the window.